Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to use AI to remove objects in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have an image. I drag and drop the image into Photoshop to open the image. Next, I want to remove the car. So we can make a selection around the car first. Now we can go to left toolbar and we can use Lasso Tool. Click to select the car. So we select the left part of the car. If we want to add the selection, we can press Shift and click and drag to make a selection. And I add the selection, something like this. Next, we can go to Window and Show Contextual taskbar. And then we can click Generative Fill button. And then we can type the prompts that we want to generate. We can type remove, and then we can go to generate and click it, and wait a moment. After generating, we can go to properties window. We have three variations: the first variation, the second variation, and the third variation. So if you want to have more variation, we can generate once again, or type the prompts and generate once again. I think the third is good. So this is how we can use AI to remove objects in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.